In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close or delete a school community group. Whether you're looking to free up some personal bandwidth or simply tidy up your online communities, this easy-to-follow guide will help you through the process step by step. Let's begin by opening your web browser and heading over to your preferred search engine. Type in Skool in the search bar and wait for the results to show up. Once they do, you want to click on the first link that appears. It should take you directly to the Skool homepage. Next, you'll be prompted to log into your account. So go ahead and enter your login credentials. It's important to sign in with the account that has administrative access to the community group you wish to delete or close. Once you're signed in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the page. Here you'll see two arrows. Click on these arrows to expand your menu options, navigate through this expanded menu, and find the community group that you want to work with. This is the community you're considering closing or deleting, so make sure you select it carefully. After clicking on your chosen community, locate the Settings option. This is usually found somewhere on the top right or the main menu, depending on your school layout. Once you're in the settings, look for a tab labeled Billing. Clicking on Billing will bring you to an overview of your subscription details. Here you'll see an option that says Manage Subscription. Clicking on this will present you with more controls over your group status. You'll now see a button labeled Cancel Subscription. Should you choose to discontinue running this community group, click this button. Before finalizing this cancellation, you'll be asked to type in your reason for doing so. Don't skip this step. Your feedback is valuable and can often provide useful insights to the platform. After you've typed your reason, you'll need to confirm your action by clicking on the Cancel Subscription button once more. But that's not the end of it. To delete the group entirely, return to the settings and look for an option labeled Delete Group. Before you go any further, please note that deleting a group is irreversible. Make sure this is truly what you want. If you're sure, proceed by clicking on Delete this group. This will bring up a final confirmation dialog. To complete the process, click on Delete this group again, and just like that, your school community group will be permanently deleted. Thank you for following along today. I hope you found this tutorial useful and feel more confident managing your school community groups. Don't forget to check back for more helpful tips and guides. Have a great day.